Hi everyone, it's Steve here with another Friday product update. Today I want to talk about what to do when you get a sync failure. So let's go through a couple of different examples. In this first one here, I'm logged in as Blue Jar Mobile. We've got a sync that failed recently, and I can see that the reason was an authentication issue. So this usually means there's something wrong with the API credentials that you've entered. Maybe someone's accidentally deleted the account, or it just needs to be updated. So I have gone ahead and checked the account here. I've updated some details. I'll check with another sync, and this one looks to be okay now. So let's go through another example. Okay, this time I'm logged in as Everything IT, and they've had an issue here with a network timeout during sync, but as you can see on the next sync cycle it has recovered. So this might just be a one-off connection issue, but if you see multiple of these in a row, it's probably worth contacting each of the connected platforms or checking their status pages just to see if they're having any outage or connection issues. And the good thing will be that if you have a failed sync, the next successful cycle will run from the updates dating back to the last successful cycle. So you won't miss any updates. All right, let's go through one more example where an individual ticket has failed. All right, in this example, we can see that we have had one updated ticket and one failed ticket. This is for Galaxy IT here. And if you are not having platform connection issues, but its individual tickets are failing, then that's a sign that it's something to do with the data and probably the field mapping. In this example, I know I've updated some categories recently in the connected Halo system, so let's go and fix that up. All right, you can see here that my regular maintenance category is mapping to the first one in the list, which is account administration, and that's because it's failed to find its correctly matched lookup. So I'm just going to correct that now and save the field mapping. All right, I've updated the mapping. I'm going to save that, and now I'm going to run the sync again. All right, the sync's completed, and as you can see, we got that newly created ticket and another has been updated at the same time. So that's just a few examples of some of the errors you might get during sync, how to troubleshoot them and correct them if necessary. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.